What's up, guys? Anthony here, Brad here, ViSUAL Motorsport. We're here today because we don't have the car. The car's at the vinyl shop. Luckily for us, our friends over at Ryno Power sent us a nice little care package. So we're just going to dive in, maybe even try a couple of things. First and foremost, stickers.
Love stickers. We got some nice shirts here,
Ryno Power Endurance Beat the Burn.
which helps us since we do endurance racing.
That's not going to last long. We're going to need to get more of those. Nice little shaker cup.
Hydration fuel. Let's go.
A couple little mana gels here. Another hydration fuel.
2 lemon limes, fruit punch there.
We have all the best ingredients you need to compete at the highest level.
All natural products, no GMOs.
And they even give you a nice little recipe on the back for frozen popsicles. Freeze it. Delicious, healthy treat.
Now we have some performance gel.
Strawberry, lemon. Those are mixed berries there. Here we have the Ryno Power Mana Bar, all natural superfood bar. Me personally, I'm super excited about these.
Let's try these. Which one do you
I'm
want?
gonna go lemon.
I'll go strawberry. That's good.
That is good. Go and follow these guys on social media. Buy some of their products. Ryno Power. Thank you, Ryno Power, for the care
Thank you.
package. We look forward to wearing your brand on our car, shouting you guys every chance we get, and
We'll see you guys on the podium.
let's hope.